I second day of orange alert rain. आता ही परिस्थिती. We had come to Panjim police station to lodge a complaint against Jennifer Montserrat, and we were supposed to come to the collector's office right now to lodge the same Odshell disaster management complaint what has happened. आम्ही चुकले बरं करून at least 10-15 seconds. When we were giving a bite, ती झाड पडले. Now this is, if you see behind me, सगळी माती लूज केला आणि झाड पडल्यार at the root section सगळी वायट हा ते रॉटन जाला भितर. कित्याक माती काडून तेणेन हें केला आनी उदीक वचून रॉटन जाता. So trees also have to be protected. They have a long life, but as we as citizens and human beings, if we are going to do destruction, they will fall down weak. And you can see the roots easily. White portion te rotten zala. This is how sad it is. Everywhere in Panjim trees are falling. This is just the second day. This is not even rainy season. This is alert rains. And I don't know what else is going to happen now. Panjim is a disaster. Talegaon is a disaster with landslides happening over there. Hill cutting happening, land filling happening, and all permissions are given by whom? The Land and Revenue Minister. Then wife is Jennifer Montserrat, who is the NGPDA chairperson, and Panchayat, Mayor, sagle tenchets. So if the whole family of Montserrat is doing disaster for the village, so I think so we have to look into this. People have to realize before things get worse over. Let's protect it as much as Smart City is saying smart. But this is a disaster which is already happening, and lots more worse things are going to happen.
Actually, this tree, I think, has fallen because what they have done, they have collected all this smart and accumulated around the tree. And the tree which is not supposed to be underground, they have put it underground by putting the mud. Okay? So, because of that, the lower portion of the tree trunk has got rotten. And it has totally collapsed and uprooted from that part. And if you see all these trees, they have done similar things. So these trees are also maybe in danger. They are the lower part which is not supposed to be in the soil. They have put soil on top of that. So that soil being moist and they have got this different kind of soil, not the garden soil. They have got this soil from laterite or wet soil, I don't know. And that soil is retaining the moisture, and then the bark of the tree also remains moist all the time, and it gets rotten, and this is what happens. I am hoping they are going to save the rest of the trees from this disaster.
Thank you.
Thank you. साधू महादेव लिंगूचो का ऑफिसर फायर फोर्स हेडक्वार्टर तेरा वाजून चोयता म्हणटा आमकां कॉल येयले तर आमी कोर्टार पावना आमी बरो हल्लो आमो जे पडलो जाल्यार आमी सोमते 30 ऑफिसर स्टार्ट केले पयले वचून 2 वेस्पा 3 एक्टिवा आनी एसी सामके डॅमेज 2 वेस्पा डॅमेज जाले आनी पयसो आमी कसलें ऑपरेशन आमचें अजून आमचें चालू आहा
कितले असो स्टाफ येयला आनी कितले गाडी हाडचे पडून
स्टाफ आमचो 5 जाण स्टाफ आमचे कडेन एक गाडी येयली म्युनिसिपालिटीचे चालू आनी आमचें चालू आहा.
ओके. आनी कशें कितें जालें कितें झाडाचे मोडलां काय उमटोन
मोनानसून मोडले
मोडले
हय आमोट.
ओके.